This is a CCURE Go Reader. It is a mobile card reader. It connects to your CCURE system over Wi-Fi or cellular. There are several different uses for the CCURE Go Reader. This video is going to cover how you can use it out at gates or how you can use it for roaming or remote security checks. The first mode that I'm going to show you is how we use this for random or roaming security checks, where we're not necessarily granting or denying people access. We're just making sure that people in an area belong there. So I've got a construction site where I have a lot of different contractors coming and going. So I have my guards walk through and make sure that the people in each area belong there. So my guard's doing a tour, they see somebody that they don't recognize, and they're going to ask them to present their credential at the Go Reader. So they present their card, and it pops up and it says, it's Destiny Rodriguez. I see a picture of Destiny, so I can do a visual verification, and I can see that she's admitted, so I know she belongs there. I decided to have the reader show the company the person works for as well as their license plate number, but this is completely up to you. You can put 3 pieces of information that you want to display anytime that your guards authenticate somebody. Another twist on this and really common application is remote gates. So I'm a guard sitting out at a gate and I see a car come up. It's Marco Medano. I'm going to ask him to present his card at the reader, and he presents his card. We see admitted, Marco Medano. I see a picture of him, and I see his license plate number, so I can make sure he's driving the car that was assigned to him. 24 hours have gone by. It's the next morning. Marco comes to site again. He presents his card, and we get rejected random screening reject. So this time we're not going to let Marco in. We're going to take Marco's car off to the side of the road. We're going to do an inspection on Marco's car before we allow him on site. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any additional questions, please visit us at swhouse.com and click contact us in the corner. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.